morning, everyone. I am about to boil my Whitewood style the mouth trays. I'm so excited because I really need to whiten my teeth. Like, look, they don't really look that white right now, so luckily I'm partnering with Whitewood Style. I love them. I've worked with them before in the past, so I'm just going to boil the little mouth trays and then get this all going later tonight. And keep in mind the lighting in this house is like not so great, so like just keep that in mind later. All right. Hey guys, so I'm in Florida, and guess who I'm with? Guess who I'm with? It's Lindsay. It is Lindsay. Yeah, because we didn't want to go into Home Depot. Not really my scene, although they do have some good plans. They do. So I got in last night, and literally the places that we've gone to, I hop off the plane. And we go
at LAX, just kidding, it was at PBI. So.
PBI, Pebble Beach International?
No, not Pebble.
Not Pebble,
Palm
sorry,
Beach.
Palm Beach, sorry, my bad.
Beach.
You can tell we're from California. But yeah, so we hop off the plane. I'm like in full on like comfy attire. I'm looking like a full on regal grandpa. What? What's he? No, okay, so I hop off the plane and Lindsay is like, oh, I booked reservations at this spot. I'm like, all right, cool, that's awesome. We walk to it. It's a freaking nice ass sushi place, a nice like Asian restaurant named Echo.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I'm in full on
Palm Beach Island, if you guys know what Palm Beach Island is like.
I'm in full on grandpa attire, full on leisure, like velvet track pants and a Brandy Melville like top.
Like a Henley, but not.
Yeah.
I was wearing like the same thing, but in a lighter gray.
Triple button.
But I was wearing jeans.
I'm wearing my Vans sneakers that Kyle got me for Christmas. And literally, I look so like out of place.
It's okay.
Like, you didn't tell me I need to freaking dress up.
It's Florida. Everybody does their own thing in Florida and they don't care. Like, so, I know like you're used to the LA scene, but Florida is definitely anti that. Like, you could go in whatever you want. Nobody will really think twice.
Yeah, but I was thinking twice.
I know. Where's Michelle?
But yeah, it was intense. And so then today we go to the beach.
And what does she wear? A sweater.
I'm wearing a freaking sweater, so then I had to tie it up. So
I offered her a bathing suit, but then she's like, I wasn't sure of the situation.
I literally thought we were just gonna walk on the water for a second. I didn't know we were gonna chill
like
there
in the sand on the beach,
tan for a bit,
yeah,
and like look for shells. Like,
I
would not have worn these pants. Like, hell no.
Can I get a hell no?
So yeah, these unfortunate outfit attire situations, really uncomfortable. So yeah, now we're going home, or to Lindsay and Michelle's. Yeah, with our shells. Gonna put like a string situation.
Pictures.
Actually, a video.
A video.
Yeah. So Michelle spent 81 years in
the Home Depot.
In the Home Depot.
Was Smitty there?
That was my fastest trip. I didn't even look for him.
What? That was fast.
That was my
Michelle and I have a
fastest
Home
one.
Depot.
Literally my fastest
Smitty.
trip.
Oh my gosh.
I hope one of these works.
It has to. Look at this small little baby.
Look at this tiny. I got the smallest clamps that I could find. Well, to
the
hold
shell?
the shell down to screw the hole. To drill the hole.
When you do the drilling.
So we don't lose a finger.
We're gonna use the shells that we found to make a little string.
Arts and crafts.
String
Arts and crafts. For the tree.
Christmas tree. Not like
My arm is gonna fall off, so bye guys.
All right,
For now.
I'll see you. So I'm using my teeth whitening trays without the LED light because I flew to Florida for Christmas and I couldn't fly with a blue LED light because they have lithium batteries. But I'm still gonna continue my teeth whitening process. This is what we're doing.
Putting it all up in my teeth imprints. And yeah.
I remember that name. Yes. Yes, Minijex flies from Teterboro to Portland, Maine every single day.
From New Jersey and Maine.
Let's see. It takes off at 3, lands at 4:55, takes off again.
Hey guys, so sorry this has been like the longest, weirdest video ever, but Lindsay and I are on a bike ride. We're trying to find a tennis court where my parents live in Florida.
Which way are you going?
I don't know which way we're going, but I'm so excited to actually be moving and literally on a bike. Whoop whoop. And holding a tennis racket. I'm on my dad's bike. Lindsay's riding our mom's bike. It's a nice pink bike with pink ass tires. My dad is like black and gray. Pretty much fits our personalities. Then we went to a spring. We saw manatees and a turtle, a couple turtles and some squirrels. The squirrels here in Florida have really thin, less fluffy tails than the ones in Santa Cruz because they're hot squirrels, hot weather squirrels. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. If you're interested in white width style whitening your teeth, I will leave a link down below so you can get a little discount. I will leave my code down below. So yeah, thank you guys for coming along this random put together video. Hope you guys have a safe and happy holiday season. All right, bye. Yeah, a little now and then retirement vibes.